Monday morning, June 24th. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the week ahead. Last week, the green line and the market tracked together fairly well. We were a little bit out of phase between the significant high and low point. That happens with this sometimes. We're bottoming out here now over the weekend on the green line as the market pushed into a big C2 white window on the rainbow chart at the same time, so it's possible we get some reverse pushback up. We're moving up and then going flat here Monday through Tuesday, just around the -10 line, and then we push up to the peak on Wednesday, which peaks out here around 1800 before the start of the evening session. Then we're down till about noon on Thursday, then we flatline and around the -5 area into Friday. So the significant peaks are this weekend low and then the Wednesday high. So we've got that upward pressure from around 1400 Tuesday into Wednesday, and then a strong push down into about 11 a.m. on Thursday, and then the rest of the time we're kind of flatlining. Significant bumps on the blue line would be here the 5 a.m. from this morning. We've got a peak at 8 a.m. We've got 1500 low point this afternoon. One spike on Tuesday in the evening around 1900. In between the 10 lines till this point here on Thursday, 11 a.m. And then we're pushing down to about the -10 at 1700. On Thursday, then a pushback up to 2100 in the evening. Then Friday, we're kind of just bouncing around in between the 10 lines. Both lines actually are on Friday. That's kind of an indication that the pressure on Friday is pretty much neutral. So the key points you always want to be looking at to use this to identify where potential trend is. Look for both lines in the same direction. So this point Tuesday to here, and then again here where we're going up on both lines, and then here where we're going up on both lines, and then when we're going down on both lines on Thursday right here, and then even here where the blue line is down hard and the green line is below zero and starts to turn down. You can look at that like that too. So that's the Astro Excel picture for the week. Last week tracked fairly well. Let's see how this week goes.